That's this guy.
So I might have been saying to.
How you doing, Ben? I'm Jeremy. Good to see you. Take 3.
So I was saying to Michelle that this boat we see it sailing all the time off of the shoreline, and we've been on this before ourselves. But anyhow, what they do is they sail to what's called the prevailing wind. So what they'll try to keep the boat on what's called the beam reach, where the wind is coming right over one side or the other. So they'll go one way and then they'll turn around.
Will they
and come
put
back.
the sails up?
Yeah. Oh yeah. The sails will go up once you get out of the harbor. So anyhow, the way the wind direction is, you see where the wind is coming right now? So we'll go perpendicular to that. That'll be able to go down probably along the Beverly coastline and towards Manchester direction, towards some of the islands near our house, kind of. So,
Cool.
yeah.
And then we come back the same way,
Come back
right?
the same way, yeah.
So,
through the harbor, Marblehead is
By
over
me
here.
setting on this side, I'm going to see...
Oh yeah, you can pivot around. There's room all over the place here too. Oh, you want to sail, Allison, when they get going?
Such a Mike really could use another chart plotter. Oh yeah. Well, that thing has got a big thing. Yeah, that's got. Or is that the cursor?
She probably was bringing my video camera down.
Oh, but is there? Or is she walking?
Oh, she was walking back now.
Last day I was here.
So just as an FYI, when the breeze gets going, I've lost 2 or 3 of my hats. Not this year. Last year I lost 2 sailing.
Can we switch seats?
Uh-huh.
Da-dun, da-da-da-dun, da-dun, dun, dun, da-dun, da-da-dun, dun, dun.
So you have the best seat in the house. It was a very popular seat because all the beer's under you.
Right?
Can I jump in there real quick, please?
You get in there.
Thank you.
Not too hot. It's nice and clear.
Breeze.
Slight overcast.
So the house is 7 years old.
Set the main when you're ready.
All right.
We're good, too.
Are we up too high, Jeremy?
Yeah, I think we're good.
It's good?
Yeah, it'll come out.
Nice.
Well. All right, nice work, guys. Didn't that look like fun?
So you guys gonna work on the second one?
Still work, still sitting.
All right, so you guys in this area right here, this is going to be free, and we'll move back and forth.
Okay, Liam's working on this one.
Let this go. It should have a couple of turns on there. Set the 4.
Kind of see a boat parked next to it in the harbour there.
Yeah.
There's a white boat with a second slip in. That one just came back from the Bugari race first
Oh,
place
really?
winners.
Which one?
The Bugari race out of Hyannis, kind of back it. Kind of see her as the boat.
Good job.
We did K class, first place winners, 7th overall. Nice. Good job, Karen.
Good job, Maggie. Maggie. Okay, we're under sail.
Yeah. Cormorants. That there? That's called. That's a ledge there. It's called Powder's Ledge. It's like there's rock under there, so you don't want to end up on that. Oh, that's just so that you can see that there's a spot to not hit. There's rock.
Close your ears. We're bombing Beverly.
close,
Yeah.
Coast Guard are on you like that. Oh yeah, a couple of years ago they used to have a workboat out there and a Coast Guard vessel. Even if there wasn't a ship on the terminal or anything.
Okay. Yeah, not anymore though.
Yeah.
I don't even know if they're using it or if it's so irregular that.
Gas prices went way up.
That's what I saw was sort of generally breaking up. Push back and sit down. Right about there. Try to steady us up right there. You gotta go a little bit more on course to sort of get back to like the balance.
How'd you like to go all the way to Florida like this? They gotta bring them down fast because, you know, that slows the boat down. They gotta get it so it folds right? They just turned the engine on now to keep it under control. Here it comes, slow but sure. Now they gotta tie it.
Did you guys watch that?
No, we didn't watch
I watched like the first chunk right and I had to come on like
Yeah. So what did you guys watch last night? Just Sharknado and then what?
No, we watched
Jimmy Fallon?
Yeah, then we were gonna watch
So you guys had a nice night.
I've done it about 1,000 times. I had $1 for every.
Nice going. They'll probably be sending some patrol boat out here to check to see if we're sinking or something.
So you look, can you see the big white tent on shore? Right between us and there. See how there's a bunch of wide open water? No boats in it?
Yeah.
That area at low tide, that's kind of a mud flat. It's very shallow with a muddy bottom. There were those 7 more wharves between the wharf that we're now pointing towards and the power plant. There were 7 more that are there now, sticking out half a mile or so into the harbor. And this wharf that we're coming up on, the one that has